Hi everyone. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you how to embed a word cloud right into any area of Blackboard. So you remember in the last video at the end, I copied HTML code. I'll show you again where that is. When you're at the word cloud creation site and you've created your word cloud, you're going to go over to this little, file button with the down arrow. Click on the down arrow and then go down to where it says Save Share Online. Click there. And this is the most recent image. So we're going to save this image online by clicking on that button. And then we're going to copy the HTML for websites using your shortcut keys on your computer or whatever you use to copy. And then I'm going to close this window. And I'm going to go over to my Blackboard page that I want to paste this into. So let's say that I want this image to go right here in Blackboard. The editing buttons look similar in every area of Blackboard. So if I want to embed this word cloud in an announcement, I would do so in a very similar way to what I'm about to show you, or into a module area or anywhere. So if it's an area that I've already created, I'm going to just click on that down arrow so I can open it back up by clicking on Edit. And now I'm going to have to go into the HTML code. So let's say I want this word cloud to come first, right at the top of this area of Blackboard. I'm going to go to this little HTML button. And you see when I hover over it, it says HTML code view. I'm going to click on that. You do not need to know HTML code to do this. I'm going to scroll up to the top because I want my word cloud to appear first. I'm going to click my cursor before the very first thing that you see in this text box. And then I'm going to just click paste because I've already copied the HTML code. And now I'm going to click on this button Update. Now you can see that immediately put the word cloud into this area of Blackboard. If I want to keep it, if I like the way that looks, I'm going to click Submit. And now you will see when I go back down that that area has my word cloud right up at the top. If I had downloaded a smaller word cloud, I could put it in here and it would look a little bit smaller. Now, one other way to embed a word cloud, I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, click Edit, and I don't have to go back into HTML to take it out. I can just click here and delete. Another way to edit, put that same word cloud in Blackboard would be as an image. Now you remember in the last video, I saved that as an image. I did that by going to File and then Save as JPEG, JPG, and then I put it on my computer. It downloaded it onto my computer. So now it's on my computer, it's saved there, so I can actually put it in as an image file if I want to by clicking on this little icon, Insert Edit Image, and then finding, saying Browse My Computer, finding that JPEG image in my computer, and I believe that it's actually just called Word Cloud. So there it is right here. I'm going to open it up and I am going to give it an image description. Random words in cloud about online learning. And then I'm going to click on appearance because I want it to be much smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 200. I have constrained proportions clicked, so it's going to automatically keep the image proportional. And then I am going to click Insert. And you'll see it's inserted. A much smaller version of this image is now inserted in Blackboard. I'm going to take out my old image and I'm going to click Submit, and now you will see my new image in this area of Blackboard.